In this video, I will show you how to add text on Snapseed. First of all, open Snapseed. Choose the image. Once the image is open, you can see there are lots of menus down here. When you slide up, even more menus pop up. If you scroll down below, in the second last line you can see text. Click on it. Then the text will appear in the image. Double tap. Now you can write anything here. Press OK. As you can see, there are various menu options down here. Or you could change the color. You can also adjust the opacity. Then click the tick mark on the bottom right corner. And here you have it. That's how you add text on Snapseed. If you liked our video and found this helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.